let me show you if you actually see this kind of warning on your S24 and S24 Ultra phone, that basically the phone thinks that there is some moisture basically in the USB port, or there's something inside basically. So first things first, I would suggest you to actually turn off your phone as fast as possible if you actually see this warning, because indeed we might actually have some water in here. But actually the most common cause for this is actually simply a dirty plug basically. So simply what we can do is we can clean it. So basically if you have some junk stuck on the plug essentially, and when you put it inside to charge, basically that junk might actually get stuck on that charger pins essentially, and tricks this phone into thinking there's something off with the phone. So first what we can do is we can essentially take a flashlight and literally shine inside and see what's actually wrong with our USB port, and see if it's there basically anything inside that we can remove. So we can take maybe a small pin needle and simply take it out if there's something inside. But again, if you have some moisture, we are simply going to need to dry it out. So the best thing for this job probably would be one of these air blowers, so that we can actually force a lot of air inside. But also you can maybe use a hair dryer on a cold setting. Do not use a hot setting, only cold. So we can simply do this and essentially blow it out. So also what we can do is we can take maybe a small brush, or simply fine details of a brush, and simply brush it out like this. So simply brush it out, or again a toothbrush also will probably work. So very simple stuff that you have around house. So again, once you are satisfied and are sure that there is no moisture inside, again you can leave it maybe directly in sunlight as well to help it speed up the drying process. If again there is actually something inside, we can turn on the phone, and we will actually need to reset this warning actually. So I'll show you where to go. Okay, let's go in the settings, then click apps over here, click over here this thing, click show system apps, okay, and then click this search thing over here and search for USB. So USB settings, okay, and then go over here on the storage and click clear cache, and also clear data. So this most probably will reset that warning. And again, if you have dried out and there's nothing obvious inside, you shouldn't get this warning anymore. But again, if you still have it, and then what I can suggest you is maybe take IPA alcohol, and again use a very clean brush, simply brush, so it's moist. Again, make sure your phone is completely off, so it's not on, so we can't do that if it's actually on. And again, simply brush outside with the IPA, so it cleans everything out properly. So again, and again use one of these blowers, or again any other method to complete dry it, and see if that helps. So this probably is the best thing to do if you can't really get this warning off. So this will probably fix the issue. Again, this simply cleans out the port essentially and removes any junk, or again removes any moisture residue that actually is there. And then finally, obviously your phone probably has wireless charge as well if all fails and you still can't get it to work. Yeah, so what I can suggest you is simply charge from your wireless charger. Yeah, it is what it is. Anyway, I hope any of this helps. Good luck.